And welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the notification sound in Facebook Messenger app. So first of all, you'll have to open Messenger app, then go to your settings and scroll down until you find notification and sounds. Here you can see the ringtone messenger, so you can tap on it and choose the sound you like. And also you can customize notification and add a custom sound by tapping on it and tap on sound. Then choose your file manager and then choose the sound you want to customize and put in your notification. There is another method that you can do is by going to your phone settings and tap on notifications. Once you do this, tap on app notifications and find your messenger app here. You scroll down until you find messenger, then you tap on it and you can customize it on notification categories. So if you want to change the notification of your chats, you can tap on it and you can choose a sound that you want. And this is how you can customize your sound on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching.